Welcome back to Zig, the programming guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to reset your Gemini. Maybe because the Gemini have been giving you issues lately, and maybe the storage is full, and you just want to reset the Gemini. So let me just get you clear on what reset means. Reset means you're just going to actually clear up the cache and also the data. So in order to do that, first thing you have to do is click on your settings, and once you click on your phone settings, you're going to scroll the way down to apps. So once you click on apps, you're going to wait for it to load up, for all your apps to actually load up. And if this is going to take a lot of time, you can just go back to your Gemini app, and you're going to press down Gemini. You're going to see this eye. Click on that eye right there, and it's going to take you to your settings inside the Gemini app. So you're going to see, when you scroll down, storage, click on storage, and you're going to see where it says cache and data. So you're going to clear up your cache and also the data. So once you do this, you can go and uninstall the Gemini app, or you can try to update it. So I'll just uninstall, and once I install the app, it's going to refresh and you have just reset the Gemini app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.